Tesla has officially started production of the refreshed Model Y at its European Gigafactory in Berlin, marking a significant milestone in ramping up the world's best-selling vehicle across 4 global gigafactories. This week, Tesla unveiled the refreshed Model Y in the United States, Europe, and Canada just 2 weeks after its debut in China. Deliveries for all regions are set to begin in March. The first unit off the line, painted in Tesla's new solid black, was signed by Giga Berlin employees and is now proudly displayed at the factory. Tesla's launch series Model Y, an all-wheel drive edition, starts at $59,990 in the US, £60,990 in the UK, and €60,990 in Germany. This special edition comes packed with approximately $17,000 worth of premium features, including Tesla's supervised full self-driving software for $8,000, the acceleration boost feature for $2,000, a tow hitch for $1,000, and full customization of paint, wheels, and interior at no extra cost. Tesla's refreshed Model Y is designed to set new standards in performance and sustainability, solidifying its place as a global leader in electric vehicles. Stay tuned as Tesla continues to innovate and redefine the EV landscape.